What if I chop my hair to here? Nope. Hey guys, it's Luna. I, and hopefully many of you out there, are self-quarantining. You know what I'm trying to say. But I'm staying home, obviously, due to the COVID-19 coronavirus that is going around, that I'm sure the whole entire world, everyone watching this, knows about. I'm not trying to be insensitive in this video at all. My heart goes out to anyone that this virus has touched. I mean, I know a lot of people are scared, and I just hope that everyone out there is staying healthy and staying home. Practice social distancing. It can wait till later, I promise. The most important thing is to stay home. Even if you're not showing symptoms, remember it takes, I think, 14 days to show symptoms. Even if you're young and healthy and you know the virus won't really affect you that much, there are so many people out there that have weakened immune systems or are older, and we need to protect them at all costs. That being said, I know that staying at home, you can get a little stir crazy, but I want to show you things today that hopefully you can do at home and will inspire you to stay home. I myself am going to try new things, I don't know, maybe like 10 new things that I've never tried before because I have this time. I've been super stressed before this whole virus hit that I just do not have enough time in the day to do the stuff I want and learn the new things that I want to, so this is kind of a blessing in disguise for me, at least, to actually chill out and do the things I finally wanted to do. Then again, I do have to do my taxes as well, but let's do this. What to do in self-quarantine. Step one, we're learning guitar. I look like I'm off to Camp Rock. My dad got me this guitar for my birthday like a year ago, and I haven't even touched it, and I feel so bad, but my whole entire life I've always wanted to learn guitar. My dad obviously knows guitar, banjo, my sister knows guitar, and I feel kind of left out of the family, so hey, obviously we can't learn today like how to play guitar, but we're gonna try. Also, pardon the messy room. I'm in the middle of a room makeover that I'm filming for you guys, so don't even look at the new decor yet, okay? Don't even look at it. Here she is. I feel like Taylor Swift. I also just came from Nashville and I got super inspired to be a country star, so this is so aesthetically pleasing. It's raining out right now. Just gonna play a little song. This is hard. I haven't even started. I know my dad taught me like an E. Let's find a video on how to learn guitar right now. Guitar lessons for beginners.
Hey, what's up you guys? Marty Schwartz here, and this is our very first guitar lesson. So this is what it's not gonna matter how good you are at the fingering and all that. If the guitar's not in tune, it's not gonna sound, which I like to call like the first hump of guitar. Maybe we could call it like 2 months. A string. So with my pointer finger, I'm gonna hit the 2nd fret. So if I scoot it back, you can hear it rings out on the D string right there. It should sound like that.
Feeling a bit discouraged.
Any A.
That was enough. Okay, wait, this is a E minor. This is a A minor. This is a D minor. Is that what he said? That's not sound right. I want to go outside right now. I want to make cookies and eat them. Smelly cat, what I've been. Alright, I'm pretty sure like I could have a concert tomorrow. Be a country star for sure. He falls in love a little faster than I do. And my downtown guitar is pouring whiskey over ice. And guitar was real fun, actually. But that's enough for today. We have a lot of things to learn. Lucky, it's time. We're training you today. We're gonna teach you a new trick. Do not fall asleep on me. Do not fall asleep. Wake up. I know you've been sleeping all day, but we have to learn tricks. I know you're tired, baby, but we have to learn tricks. We're gonna teach you how to be a super dog. Wanna be a super dog? Ugh. And I'm going to bed. Okay, don't fret, we're teaching Lucky tricks later, but let's find something else to do. Also, if you're wondering, my set is from Halo Tide. I thought something great to do is to be crafty. Upcycling, thrifted stuff, I love doing all that kind of stuff, so I think I want to like paint or draw on some clothes today. Let's look at my closet now. Welcome to the closet. I don't really have much in here that we could do something with, but let's try. Can I paint something on this? I never wear it. What if I painted something on that white top and this white skirt and made it an outfit? Okay, so basically I have these shoes from Drip Creations, which is like an online brand, and they're Powerpuff Girls. And I also have this bag that has Powerpuff Girls on it, and I also have this like jacket that has Powerpuff Girls on it. So I thought, why don't I make a full outfit so I can take a really cool Instagram photo? I'm gonna be painting today. Fabric markers, maybe? I think these are fabric markers. Did I really just put that to my ear? Let me find pictures online. I'll just honestly replicate exactly what this one is doing. Max is joining me in craft day.
Oh yeah. I can't find any jelly. Insane.
Maybe I should stencil it.
What are you making?
I'm making a full Powerpuff Girl.
Yeah, there's been a lot of drama in the house ever since quarantine started.
It's just hard to like all get along, you know?
Yeah.
But it's fine, we're working on it.
I mean, bro, are you serious? Oh hell no, I'm out, bro. I'm out. I'm out, bro. Okay, but you can't do that.
You would already have it if I had it.
That's socially unacceptable, especially in the house. You can't sneeze on me, no.
Why don't you customize these days?
But I don't even know how to put them on, though. Hey.
He bites too much.
He's a biter. He'll bite your face. What's a good boy? Yeah. What if I made some flames when they're right here, coming up like that?
That is so lame.
What? How you gonna tell me what's lame, bro?
Because I've seen that, like, everyone did that since Thrasher started.
Are you serious?
Yeah, you can't do that.
What about mountains? Like mountain range on the bottom right here.
Yeah. You Bob Ross, like, you can draw that.
I can draw a solid mountain range. You need to stop cussing. You're like, Luna, you need to stop being so vulgar with your voice. And I've noticed it too, you know? You're talking crazy, bro, and you
I'm
think
sorry.
that.
Well, I live with you. This is really relaxing. Alright, I finished this skirt, I think. I'll show you on this recording. They're done. They're a little tan. They just got a spray tan. Next! Alright, it's this shirt. I don't know. I want to do like a different type of thing on the shirt, I think. Right? Like right in the middle of the shirt. Crafting is fun, but I'm a little over it right now. I finally finished the shirt, you guys. It's not the greatest, but I'm going to put this full outfit on. So this is the jacket I painted on a couple weeks ago. So I have them there. Here. The skirt. The purse. And the shoes. Full fit. What do you guys think?
Oh my god, so cute.
What do you think of my outfit?
No, you didn't do that. Did you really do that?
You painted it?
That's crazy.
Alright, crafting is done. Let's find another new thing to do today. I took a quick break to play Mario Kart.
Just looked at my butt, now you're raising his meat.
I can't decide what else to do. I could exercise. My sister does this type of yoga called Kundalini, and you have to wear all white because it opens your aura, Zoe says. So, how do I do it?
I just take a headband wrap. I don't do the whole. You look it up. I don't
Should I just wear a white headband? Zoe, can you just tell my video the basics of Kundalini?
Oh my god! Right now, I don't do shit.
No, you don't.
Kundalini yoga is a lot more breathing, a lot more meditation, and a lot more chanting than a normal yoga class. Basically, based on the idea that the word Kundalini means the creative coil of energy up your spine, and when you're doing Kundalini, you're unlocking that creative potential that you have as a human.
It sounds like something I need in my life, so we're gonna try it. Okay, thank you, Zoe.
Love you.
Love you most. Great. So now that we know Let's put a headband on. A full white fit on. This is from Fabletics. And normally you wear head wrap, but since I don't have a head wrap, I'm just gonna wear a white headband. It's time to unlock our Kundalini. I'm just gonna do this one on YouTube.
Left and right palm together. Press the thumbs into the heart center. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo Om
Guru De Namo. Namo.
Sits bones deeply rounding the back. So here we go. Inhaling and exhaling, and then add the breath. So it's same thing here. Keep going on your own. You can
Like
silently
snot.
chant, finding
Sat,
your own pace.
nam.
It can be
Sat,
fast or it can
no.
be.
Ow, my back hurts.
Roll your eyes up and in towards your third eye.
Ow.
Good. And then the master gland of the body, which you're massaging and activating.
I actually feel lightheaded. Alright, that was definitely something new. I've never tried. I think I would have taken it more seriously if I wasn't on camera. I think I got like really insecure. Maybe Kundalini is my new thing. I think it's time to teach Lucky some tricks. If you don't know Lucky, this is my puppy. He's about 12 weeks old, so he doesn't really know anything yet. He doesn't even know how to poop on his pad because he's naughty. I need you to be on your game today, Lucky, okay? Sit. Good boy, sit. Okay, what should we do? Sit, stay, no, sit, sit.
Good boy.
Good boy. Spin. You almost got it. Up, oh.
Yay!
Oh, yay!
You giving him more food?
Up, spin. Yay! He's a smarty boy. We're gonna have to work on it. But that was good. That was good enough for today. Okay guys, I think I'm done trying new things for the day. Before you guys go, I actually wanted to talk about today's sponsor and also the case company of the case that I was wearing throughout this whole video, which is Casetify. Casetify is the only phone case brand that I have found that provides like super stylish, trendy, customizable cases, but also has military grade drop protection. So it won't even break for drops of like 6 feet or more. I could go right now and drop it on the floor. I don't want to do it, but I know it's gonna last. And she's fine. Casetify allows you to pick your own designs, colorways, add custom text, pictures, allows you to create a phone case that literally nobody else has. I actually made a Casey Musgraves phone case for my old phone with Casetify with all her Grammys, and it was probably the most legendary case, and everybody asked me where I got it from. They've got collections with everyone from Pokemon, the Rolling Stone, they had one with Lisa Frank, and again, the fact that they're so cute and also truly protect your phone is amazing. If you guys want to check out Casetify, go to casetify.com/LunaMontana. I'll put it here, I'll link it below, and you can get 20% off your order. I think it'd be so fun to match phone cases with you guys. Check it out, I promise you won't regret it, and I love you, Casetify. Thank you. I'm sure there'll be a lot of videos like this since we will, of course, I'll be inside for at least 2 weeks. Hopefully you got some ideas to try something new on this quarantine. This was so fun. I love you guys to the moon and back, and I will see you next week. Bye.